Are you ready to listen? What do we listen with? With our ears. Very good. You were listening, right? You're listening now. Pay attention. You wear a coat so clean and so white. I help you feel just right at night. You ease my pain and you fix my cough so I can laugh and play again. Who can tell me? What do you think we're talking about today? What do you think we're talking about? Huh?
Hi, good afternoon, learners. My name is Miss Robday Totaram and I'll be teaching you for the next couple minutes, okay?
Yeah.
And today our topic is about community helpers, right? It is about what?
Community helpers.
Okay, right? So I have a short video that I'll be showing you about community helpers, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna look carefully and listen, right?
Miss.
Welcome to Kids Academy.
You're gonna look and listen, right?
Yes.
Hello. Let's get started
Listen
on the lesson.
and work.
Very
Community
good.
helpers have important roles in the community. A role is a special job or responsibility. Each community helper has a different role. For example, police officers keep communities safe. Doctors help people stay healthy. When you need something, it is important to know which community helper to go to. Now, let's play community helper trivia.
Okay, so that is our short video about community helpers, right? So in the video, what did you see in the video? We see a doctor, right? So what did the doctor do?
Help people.
I'm not hearing. What did the doctor do?
For sick people.
Go, they treat sick patients, okay? And they treat them to make them feel better, right? Okay, so good. So we have the police officer, right? What do the police officer do?
The catch bad guys.
Yes, the police officer catch bad guys. They
Bad guys.
yes, they catch the bad guys and they also
Very
keep
cute.
our community safe. What did they do? Keep our community safe, right? So you enjoyed the topic, learners? Okay, so we learn about police officer and we learn about doctors, right? Okay, so I want to thank you very much for listening to me and have a great day, right? On my eyes on, ears are crisscross, applesauce. My hands are on my. Alright, so you gotta listen carefully and your hands should be on your lap. So teacher have a rhyme, but you gotta listen. It says, my teacher. What is the name of our rhyme? My teacher. It says, teacher helps me learn each day. Say it after me. Teacher helps me learn each day. With kind words and a smile that stays. She reads a story and help us write. Right. And make sure. Alright, look here now. Teacher has 3 workers, 3 community workers. Are you seeing that? Can you name these 3 workers to me? Look at the first one. She's a what? She is a nurse. Very good. Look at the second picture. She is a what? Look carefully. She is a high five. Lovely. She is a teacher. And the third picture, who is this man? He is a construction worker. Right? Very good, Jabez. So look in front of you now. Teacher has some tools. Look at them. Have you ever saw these tools before? No, you never saw these tools nowhere before, at home or anywhere before? You have tools at home. And what kind of tools you have at home? What is this thing? What is the name? It's a hammer. Very good. Look at this one. What tool is this? Remember Remember, if you have a question, you gotta raise your hand, Caleb. What is this? What tool is this?
Saw.
It's a saw. Very good. And what do we use a saw for? Cutting wood. And who, look here, look at the tree workers. Who do you think, David? Who do you think use these? Which one of these tree workers use this tool? Construction workers. The teacher is going to take the saw and put it here, right? Look here now. What is this? Anybody ever saw this before? This is called a what? Yes, it's called an injector. What is it? You know when you go to the, and where can you find this? By the doctor. And where is the doctor located? Where does the doctor stay? In a what? In a hospital or a clinic, right? The teacher is going to take this injector and place it at the nurse, right? Look here. Who uses scissors? The nurse? Yes, the nurse do use a scissors, but does she use this type of scissors? Who use this type of scissors? The teacher. So the teacher is going to put that here. So now teacher wants you to take these tools and put them at each worker. Who do you think uses? Who uses stethoscopes? Caleb. Players and you players on that teacher see. Construction worker use the. Very good. Where do you have to put the thermometer, Caleb? The teacher use a thermometer? Who uses surgical scissors? The nurse, right? Who uses the eye drops? The construction worker uses eye drops? The nurse. Very good. Look at the ruler now. Who uses a ruler? The teacher. Very nice. And the staple. The teacher. All right. Very good. You all did well. Can I have a high five? High five. Lovely. And that is the end of our activity. Thank you. Okay, girls. Now, earlier, teacher told you guys what is a community worker. Can anyone tell me? Yes, Carletta. A nurse, a veterinarian, and a farmer. But remember, community workers are persons that work in our community. What are community workers? Persons that work in our community. Great. And as Carletta said earlier, we have farmer, we have nurse, or you can also be a doctor. Yes. What else? A veterinarian. Beautiful. What else? And a teacher. Great. Policeman, or you can have a policewoman as well. And lastly, we have firefighter. And as I said before, we have so many more, right? But now, teacher have a little activity she would like you guys to do. Yes, Carletta? Yes, we said farmer earlier in session. No. And a farmer. We have a farmer too as a community worker. But to have a little activity she would like you guys to do, where you will be using your imagination. Right? No, it's not. Nothing is impossible. But before we begin, teacher have an important question she would like to ask you. What do you like to become when you grow up? Guys, a teacher, beautiful, again, a policewoman, a doctor, a ice cream woman. Come on, let's think about something else. Something else.
A nurse.
A nurse. Okay, that's nice. So
keep that in mind. I would like to become a nurse. I would like to become a police woman. I would like to become a teacher, like teacher herself. You would like to become a doctor. So what you're going to do for me now, you're going to turn your art books on a blank page. Yes.
This is my blank.
Great.
Let me see.
And you're going to draw yourself as those community workers that you said you want to become. Right? So use the imagination. Remember, nothing is impossible. Right? Nothing is impossible. So you can begin. Draw the community worker you would like to become when you get older. Good job, guys. I'm loving the drawing. Here we have the nurse. We have the teacher, Teacher Paris. And here we have Dr. Khan. And we have Officer Gil. Good job, guys.
And Dr. Carletto.
Yes.
I'm a nurse. You don't know. Oh my God. Doctor.
Beautiful girls.
Good. So, now it's time for our lesson. So let's sing our song. Lesson time is here, so let us have some cheer. Lesson time is here again, so let us have some cheer. Lesson time is here, so let us have some cheer. Lesson time is here again, so let us have some cheer. Good job. I know you boys and girls love to sing, but now teacher wants you to put on your thinking cap and try and remember what did we talk about yesterday for our lesson. Can anybody tell me? Okay, let me give you a hint. So yesterday, teacher taught you about some very important people. Very, very important to us. Can you remember what do we call them? Yes, Joel. Community workers. Give Joel a clap. We call them our community workers. Awesome. But can you remember some of our community workers? Who did teacher lesson told you? Who did teacher tell you are some of our community workers? Yes. Our doctors. We have who else? Nurses. Yes. Fireman. Yes, Antoine. You remember that because you were the fireman yesterday. Awesome. Good. What else? Who else? Who am I? A teacher. Very good. So I am a teacher. So today we're going to talk about me. Right? Today we're going to talk about me. Good. So teacher wants you to tell her some of the things, just like how we said the fireman needs the truck, the fire truck, water, and hose and so on. Right? When he's coming to out your fire, he needs his coat and he needs his hat and he needs his boots to cover and protect him. Good. The teacher also have materials and tools, right? So can you tell teacher some of those materials that she has to use to teach you? Pencils, yes. Pens, yes. Ruler, chalkboard, yes. So what is teacher going to use to write on the board? Chalk. Very good. And that is the thing, some of the things that teacher would need to teach you. Right? Good. So today we're going to role play the teacher. Who would like to be the teacher today? Yes, Jermaine, so you can come because you always say that you want to become a teacher. So when you grow up, you have to dress like me, right? Because you go to college, right? You go to teacher training college because you want to become a teacher. You have to go to gain your knowledge so that you can teach the boys and girls so that they too can grow. Good. So we're going to have our role play, and Jamaica will be our teacher for today.